Hey, William,
Ike Morgan.
I want to tell you something.
Let it out. Let lose your words. As today, let loose tomorrow. Let it flow like water flow in a Dada river.
You know, one of the hardest things in life is loving someone and having the courage to let them know. I can beat my chest a million times that I had the courage to let you know how I feel about you.
How do you feel about me?
Words cannot explain our subjective feelings sometimes, and there are things we cannot explain. But to answer your question, crazy. I'm crazy about you. Your beautiful honey brown skin, the seduction of your exotic waist when you dance to the rhythm of traditional patterns, still in my heart as a nectar does to a honeybee. I love it raw. I love it wild. I love it traditional. Hearing the clashes of the cowries twisted into your dress. Your wisdom, intelligence, courage, your eloquence, the fire. It's like making love in all eternity. Love is an understatement.
The words then, causing the heat of vibration. The words arouse my feminine fire. I feel like a goddess about to enter a shrine of creation. Your words touch me deep in the crevices unseen by naked eyes. Again, you see, men are created, but some are gods, encoded in masculine crazy. That's magnetic fragrance, irresistible. You are my love, my king, my God. Take all of me, take it raw and wild. I love it in its truest form.
You're so priceless.
As you are the gift